Okay, so this next bow we're gonna do, I really like. So what I do is I take my ribbon and I will measure out, let's do about 16 inches, okay? Then I'm gonna pinch it right here, get some more out of my spool, and I'm gonna make a 2 or 3 inch loop, okay? So this is going to be your center. So let's see how big I made it. Okay, about 2 inches. So we might make it just a tad larger, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna twist it one good time, okay? So that it won't come loose. All right, we're gonna leave this tail over here and just leave it be. So what we're gonna do is we're going to make another loop about 3 inches. So we're just ignoring this tail so you can move out of the way. So when we get to the center, we're gonna have to twist to get the pretty side back up. Do another 3 inch. We'll check and make sure that's right. Yes. Okay, back to the center. So what I'm doing is I'm holding my thumb inside here to keep this all together. I'm gonna twist it, come back out. I'm gonna make the next loop about 4 inches. Yes, there we go. Twist again, another one 4 inches. Then we're gonna twist again. This one is gonna be 5 inches. Now you can do this as many times as you want. Make as many loops as you want. So we've got about 1 inch more, so I'm just eyeballing to make sure it's about right. We're gonna do one more and that's gonna be it. So twist, go out 1 more inch. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6 inches. Pinch, twist, bring it out that 1 more inch, come back to the center, pinch. Okay, then what I'll do is, holding this all together, I will take a pipe cleaner. I'm just gonna run it through the center here. I'm gonna hold it really tight and just twist it off, because you want it to be nice and tight. So I like to do that before I cut my second tail, so I'm not having to try to hold it, okay? And then just cut your tail, and then make sure you want to twist both tails to come in the front, like that. I find it a little bit easier if I just set it down on a surface and start moving. So what I like to do is I like to move these in opposite directions. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Of course, you can also get out your fluff box, and then I usually leave these two in the center. There we go. And you have a whole different type of bow. So let me grab a grapevine wreath and I'll show you what this one looks like. So what I like about this one is it just has a different look to it. And then you can take your pipe cleaners and just run it around, tie it on. Of course, it's always easier to fluff when you have it on something. Then you can just finish fluffing. You see how cute that looks? Of course, you always want to stick your hands in there and just fluff it up. And then you can take the tails. There's a couple different things you can do. You could take your fingers and pull them like that and kind of get them to curl. I really like to do that. So kind of like you're doing, you know, when you get those long stringy ribbons and you're trying to get them to curl, you're doing the same kind of process, okay? And what I like about this one is that it's simple, it's not difficult, it has a little bit of a different look, and I just think it's cute.